Hello guys, it's me, the K Gamer. I am back with another video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And today we're going to be playing Bob the Robber 4 Level 2. I have to turn the volume down because I don't want it to be too loud like my other videos were probably. I don't know, but I don't want it to be too loud. Sorry guys. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm gonna press play. I'll play level 2. If you hear a lot of moving of my phone, sorry about that. So let's check the bouquets for money. Check this bouquet. This one? No money. It's the lock on this door. It says, "Don't let the scientist press the alarm button." Okay. Alright guys, so he's coming close to the door. When he walked the other way, just gonna go behind him really quickly. Alright, so let's check what's in all these drawers. Alright, nothing. Alright, found some money. Alright. Didn't find any money there. So in this level, in this staircase level right here, I didn't get that much money. So let's see what's gonna happen on the next. So no money. Guys, the camera almost got me. Almost got me again. I was so scared. If the camera sees you guys, you're going to be busted and the game's gonna start all over. And you won't earn any stars, and the money that you picked up, you won't be carrying that anymore. So they only got this door for you to do the passcode and everything else. But I'm going up here for the money. Right quick. Alright, so I found a lot of money. Up here. So hopefully I have good luck. Go through the door quickly, guys. Go ahead and get this. Don't try to get any money, guys. Just go ahead and get the code before your time run out. 0607. Then go through here. Code in. As fast as you can. Go through this door. Go here. And you reach your destination. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and there's gonna be a link in the description for the Duo recorder, and that's what I'm screen recording with. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now. I'll be posting another video tomorrow.